Securing loads with ratchet load binders provide more of a mechanical advantage and are a safer option than using lever load binders. In today's video, we'll talk about some of the features of ratchet binders and how you can safely operate and put them to use for your application. Ratchet binders have been one of the most popular choices for securing heavy machinery due to their simplistic design, affordable cost, and durability. At E-Rigging, we carry two different types of ratchet binders, our standard ratchet binder and the Peerless Ratchet Binder Plus, which is of higher quality and has higher working load limits. Our standard ratchet binder is powder coated red and features drop forged binder chain hooks with size and grade markings forged into the hooks. The binder is available in two different sizes, a 9,200 pound model and a 13,000 pound model with working load limits that are matched to grade 70 transport chain. The Peerless Ratchet Binder Plus is powder coated yellow, features zinc plated drop forged binder chain hooks for greater corrosion protection, and is available in three different sizes, a 7,100 pound model, a 12,000 pound model, and an 18,100 pound model, which can be used with either grade 70 transport chain or grade 80 alloy tie-down chains. Before operating, be sure to check and follow your equipment's manual and all transportation regulations for the jurisdictions for which you'll be traveling. To properly operate a ratchet load binder, first turn the pawl to the neutral position so that it is disengaged from the binder gears. Use your hand to unscrew and fully extend the binder hooks. Be sure that you do not exceed the maximum extension length. With your chain connected to the load at a 45-degree angle, attach the binder hooks to the chain while taking up as much slack as possible. Turn the pawl to the end setting and begin ratcheting the chain to the desired tension needed. Wrap any remaining loose chain around the binder and use a zip tie to secure it into place. To remove the binder, unwrap the chain, turn the pawl to the out setting, and begin ratcheting the binder until the chain becomes slack and the binder hooks can be removed from the chain. For a full video with more information on proper load binding techniques, please click the link to the video that we posted below. You can also visit our website and view the blog posts that we've made on there. We'd like to give special thanks to Chauvin Brothers Tractor located in Belle Chasse, Louisiana, for allowing us to film at their facility. As always, we hope this video has answered any questions or concerns you might have about the proper operation of ratchet binders for your application. I'm Tyler with E-Rigging. Thanks for watching.